Welcome back, students. So let's continue the next part of this chapter, Bholi. In the previous module, the last point which we discussed, that was Bholi was happy, glad that she could speak clearly, she could say few words due to the encouragement, inspiration by the teacher, support. Next, then the teacher offered, she gave a book to Bholi, which was contained a lot of pictures, nice pictures, colorful one. In that, cat, dog, parrot, tiger, horse, cow, just like her old cow Lakshmi, all these pictures. So now, and with each and every picture, a word was there in big black letters. So then the teacher said to Bholi, in 1 month what will happen now? See, Bholi, teacher said, you will be able to speak like everyone else clearly, and then I will give you a bigger book than this, a bigger one, and then a still bigger one. The teacher said to Bholi, and in this way you will become what? You will be more learned than anyone else in the village, in this village. The more learned person. And then nobody will laugh at you. All the people will listen you with respect. And one more thing, that you will be able to speak without stammering. Understand? Teacher asked, understand? You will be able to speak without stammering. So now the teacher said, now you go to your home and then what do you do? And come back early tomorrow morning. The teacher said to Bholi in this way, right? At that time Bholi felt, she felt that just like the bells in the village temples, all the bells in the village temples, that they were ringing in this way. Suddenly she felt when the teacher said in this way, all the bells in the village temple were ringing, and all the trees in front of her school house, all the trees, that what happened, that they had blossomed into big red flowers. Bholi felt such changes that she felt. In this way she became glad, she was happy, Bholi. And next, her heart was throbbing. What? Throbbing with a new hope and a new life. She felt that now this is the new chapter of my life begins from here, or began. She felt, Bholi. Now then what happened? Thus the years passed, and some changes have been taken place. What? A small village became a small town. This is the first change. After the years passed, after that village became a small town. Then a primary school became a high school, and there were a cinema under what? A tin shed and a cotton ginning mill. Right? So such changes have been taken place now. Which changes? First, a small village became a small town. Second change, a primary school became a high school, and the next there were a cinema under a tin shed and a cotton ginning mill. Such changes have been taken place. And one more, the mail train, right? Mail train began to stop at the railway station at her village, at the place, her native place, which had become now a small town. So these are the changes. Next, once what happened, after the dinner one day, Ramlal said to his wife, or he asked his wife, Ramlal, what shall we accept Bishambar's proposal? Who asked to whom? Ramlal asked to his wife, what to do? Shall we accept Bishambar's marriage proposal for Bholi? Then The wife said, Ramlal's wife said, yes, certainly, obviously we should accept. Why? Because she said, wife or Boli's mother said that Boli will be lucky enough to get such a well-to-do bridegroom. Bridegroom who is prospective bridegroom here? Bishambar for them. She will be lucky enough. And he is having his own shop plus his own house. Who? Bishambar. According to Ramlal's wife or Boli's mother. That Bishambar, who is the prospector, we could say that the anticipated husband of Boli, that he is having his own shop plus own house, and I hear, wife said, Ramlal's wife, I hear that a lot of money in the bank also. So why should we not accept this proposal? And one more, moreover, that he is not asking for the dowry. Right, for the money in the marriage, he is not asking. So that is why we should accept this proposal. Wife said to Ramlal. Next, then Ramlal said to his wife, that is all right, that is okay, but he is not so young, you know. Ramlal said to his wife, and almost the same age as I am. See now, that Bishambar, whom that they have chosen, selected as the husband of Boli, now look at his age, that he was almost the age of Ramlal, it means Boli's father. So that was such an age difference. And one more thing Ramlal said, and he limps. Limps means physically disabled, having some problem in the legs or his feet. So now it means who walks with lameness. That is limbs, L-I-M-P-S. Physically disabled, and look at his age. He is almost the same age as I am, Ramlal said. So then, and one more thing Ramlal objected, and his first wife, see now, already he had married, and now this was the second marriage of Bishambar. And his first wife, Ramlal said, his first wife children are quite grown up now. That Bishambar was having children, some children from his first wife. They have grown up now. Then Ramlal's wife said, so what? What happens? What is the matter then? It doesn't matter anything. So then his wife replied, and she said, 45 or 50 something, it is not a great age for a man, 45 or 50. And one more thing, we are lucky that Bishambar, he is from another village, he is not from this village, and he is not aware about the poke marks on Boli's face or the body. He is not about the poke marks or lack of sense, Boli's lack of sense. So we are lucky, the wife said. So then, and if we do not, and she said, wife said to her husband Ramlal, if we do not accept this proposal right now, so Boli, she will remain unmarried all her life. She will remain. Who said? Wife said to husband, to Ramlal, that if we do not accept now Bishambar's proposal, what would happen? She will remain unmarried all her life. So now in this way, now the next episode of part of this story, now regarding the marriage. School education that is done. Now coming to her marriage. Here husband and wife, it means Boli's parents, father and mother, that they were discussing about her marriage. And they decided to marry her with such a man who is the same age as her father's age, and already married, and that was his second marriage, and having the children. Some children. So such was the marriage proposal that they brought for Boli. Right. So now up to this one we have discussed the rest of the things that we will continue in the next video.